How to delete Lidl app on your device. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways on deleting your Lidl app. So for that piece, you have to go ahead and open up your application, that is Lidl. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, tap the three dot icon, and from here you'll have to go ahead and log in or open up your account management page or profile. When you do that, next page, go ahead and select my Lidl account and my Lidl account on the next screen. On the next page, you have to go ahead and select login and security. When you do that, then you can finally select the option that says delete account. Now go ahead and give a valid reason for deleting your account, providing the password associated with it, and it's going to provide you with some sort of statement. Go through it and confirm the deletion process. So that's how you can delete your Lidl app or an account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.